So in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY on a weekly time frame after a breakout of this higher time frame descending triangle pattern that it formed over here over the course of multiple weeks or even months. It made a breakout of this descending triangle pattern with this bullish engulfing move and came all the way up to make a retest on this major resistance zone with all these highs over here. Now you can also see, if you zoom out, that move that happened over here is also a continuation move from this uptrend channel that it has been moving in respect to for a really long time. Now also, if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see in this daily time frame, while retesting this major resistance zone, it is also forming a bit of support around at this key zone, which has this major retest points as well over here. Now GBPJPY after this bullish engulfing move could either go for some retracements or it could continue to push up with further bullish momentum. Now it needs to make a breakout of this very recent support zone that it formed to continue to go down to make some retracements to any of these key levels, since those key levels are the next key levels which has these retest points, and that's where GBPJPY might come down to as part of its retracements. Similarly, it needs to make a breakout of this key zone like this high to continue pushing up to this next key level, which also has these highs from these retests over here. Now if you go to even shorter time frames like 4-hour time frame to look for trades, then you can see the same key zones that you saw and also these same key levels which we just talked about in the daily time frame. And also you can see this two key zone that we drew where GBPJPY is currently ranging in between this key zone to like this key zone. Now if GBPJPY on the upcoming week makes a break and close below this key zone with further bearish momentum, then GBPJPY could continue to push down to make some retracement. So if in that case, after a break and close on a shorter time frames, we can look for trades on the short side in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way down to make a retest on this key level which has this multiple major retest points, or if it even makes a break and close below this key level with further bearish move, then you can look for further trades on the short side in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way down to make a retest on this key level. But we're gonna look for trades after GJ makes a break and close below this key zone on the breakout of this low to be more sure about our trades. However, by seeing how GBPJPY has this huge bullish move over here and found support and faced this huge price rejection, there is a higher possibility of GBPJPY finding support here at this key zone and continuing to form higher lows and making a breakout of this high to continue pushing up. So if that happens, if GBPJPY does find strong support at this key zone and makes a break and close above this high with further bullish move, then we can obviously look for trades on the long side in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way up to make a retest on this key level which you saw on the daily time frame right around here with all these retest points from this high. And also if it even continues with further bullish move making a breakout of this high, then this is the next key level where we're gonna keep our eyes on, where GBPJPY might come up to make a retest, and we drew this key level on the basis of these previous retest points right around here. So that might not happen on the upcoming week, but a week from there or something like that, it might happen if GBPJPY finds strong support around at this key zone and makes a breakout of this high over here. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And also to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description.